They say album quite soon ya rensa. Why neka kutibra?
Maybe if we're lucky, you can give us a gospel song.
I've done so many of that, and when people say that,
I think we're used to a certain type of your music.
No,
so
I actually have done gospel songs. You know, like when you, but mostly I realize that people don't listen to albums. I was telling Antoine that's why I don't waste my time. You know, excuse me for using the word waste, but it's because we are not album listeners. If you listen to almost every album, I make sure I drop two or more gospel songs on there, like Ancient of Days.
Yeah,
it's a full gospel song. In fact, I even tried to promote it with some gospel stations, which didn't work. I mean, for obvious reasons.
We're used to a certain style of gospel music. So
yes,
we want that style, but
that's sad. Because that will never be me.
I mean, that's what I think.
No. I agree with you. I'm agreeing with you that if I choose to record, it will be very... So even now, I barely listen to homemade gospel music.
Right.
It was just recently that some of the urban guys would do, because I experiment with sound. I love... My love for music is not about fame. I love music. It's not about fame. So... I take my time with music.
This is Hits.
Maybe if we're lucky, you can give us a gospel song.
This is Adom TV. Yana yawo ada oje. Abusuya kwaso a share wo do enchana Vows Day eba.